Haridwar is one of the holy places in India, that is, center of religion and meditation for centuries, and this is located on the bank of river Ganga. Religion is essential part of Indian culture, and its practice can be seen in every aspect of life in this country. India has very precious destinations which make this country land of many mysteries and fascinations. ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं है पूरे विश्व में जहां लैंग्वेज, रिलीजन और गुरुज की इतनी मान्यता हो, एक्सेप्ट इंडिया। हरिद्वार चार धाम यात्रा के लिए प्रवेश द्वार है। उत्तराखंड के चार धाम हैं बद्रीनाथ, केदारनाथ, गंगोत्री और यमुनोत्री। इसीलिए भगवान शिव के अनुयायी और भगवान विष्णु के अनुयायी इसे हरद्वार और हरिद्वार के नाम से पुकारते हैं। हर यानी शिव, हरि यानी विष्णु। Everyday Har Ki Pauri Ghat witnesses hundreds taking a dip in the water of Ganga. The place is considered very auspicious. King Vikramaditya is said to have built it in 1st century BC in memory of his brother Bharthari or Bharatrihari, who had come to meditate here on the bank of Ganga. It is almost impossible to leave Haridwar without stuffing into your bag some of the most interesting as well as crafted items. Once you come to know of the varieties, the quality and the craftsmanship of the offer, you'll definitely want to go on a shopping spree before you leave the place. For travelers, it can also be the most unexpected souvenir shopping opportunity in Haridwar. बारीकी से पत्थर की मूर्तियों पर की गई नक्काशी, मोती, कॉपर एंड ब्रास के पूजा के यूटेंसिल्स, ग्लास बैंगल्स एंड ज्वेलरी. These are some of the most popular buying items in the Haridwar. Now I'll tell you the famous bazaars: Moti Bazaar, Jwalapur, Kankhal, Bada Bazaar, and some of the government handlooms and handicraft emporiums. Mansa Devi Temple is a temple dedicated to goddess Mansa Devi. Mansa Devi Temple is a Siddha Peeth and is a place of worship where desires get fulfilled. It is one of the three such Peethas located in Haridwar, the other two being Chandi Devi Temple and Maya Devi Temple. The inner shrine has two deities installed, one with 8 arms and other one 3-headed with the 5 arms. In the past, elderly and infirm people had to deny themselves to visit the Mansa Devi Temple due to the arduous climb. The ropeway, similar to those installed in Switzerland, Japan and other prominent cities of the world, conforms to international standards and offers exciting travel all the way. These monocable cabins in the local language is also called as Udan Khatola. Mohanji Puri Wale. Mohanji Puri Wale is a well-known name among the best food center in the Haridwar, specialized in aloo chole puri and sweets. It is situated at the famous Har Ki Pauri. It serves aloo puri, khasta chole, samosa, gulab jamun, jalebi, laddu, halwa, lassi, fresh juice, ice cream, snacks, etc. Made of pure high-quality food products and ingredients. Mohanji Sweets maintain the pure traditional Indian taste.
भैया, आपका नाम? तो आप यहीं पे रहते हैं? दिल्ली में रहते हैं। तो अक्सर यहाँ आते हैं हर साल? हर 2 महीने बाद विद फैमिली। तो क्या चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगी हरिद्वार में जो आपको हर 2 महीने बाद आप आना पसंद करते हैं?
An area within the Har Ki Pauri where the evening Ganga Aarti takes place and which is considered as the most sacred part is known as Brahmakund. It is considered to be the spot where the drops of Amrit fell over from the sky. While it's being carried in a kalash by the bird Garud after the Samudra Manthan. हर शाम सूर्यास्त पर प्रीस्ट्स गंगा आरती परफॉर्म करते हैं। घाट के दोनों ओर बहुत से लोग आरती के लिए एकत्रित होते हैं। The priests hold large fire bowls in their hands. The gongs in the temple and the ghat starts ringing and the chants fill the air. People float earthen diyas with the burning flickers and flowers in them as a symbol of hope and wishes. The golden hues of the floral diyas reflected in the river Ganga presents spectacular view. गंगेश्च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदा सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधं कुरु।